Hello, welcome to InMobi's tutorial on AdGroups. This is the second step in creating a campaign and executing and bringing it live end-to-end on our new advertiser interface. By now you've logged in and seen the dashboard which you're familiar with. Clicked on the campaign button where we just moments ago created a new blockbuster movie release campaign shown here, which we show is in draft mode. This means you have additional work to do before the campaign is ready to go live. We've set our budget of $50,000 and we're now ready to click on it and create our ad groups. The idea of ad groups is that you are able to manage and optimize campaigns across various calls to action, creatives, and more importantly, countries and regions. As you know, CPCs, that's the way InMobi runs our systems, can vary across region. And in order for you to take advantage and achieve your objectives in a variety of regions, we've introduced the notion of ad groups. To create an ad group, you simply click on New Ad Group. An ad group will be required for all the elements of a campaign that you've set up. In this case, as you recall, we had the US, we had campaign objectives of generate leads and promote commerce. We will, in this case, have it be a call to action of phone number. We'll have the ad group name, which is the US movie release. Call to action is called generate leads. We have our start date, which is today, going through the 8th. Same as our overall campaign, and of course our pricing model, which is cost per click. I now will click Continue and continue to create additional ad groups that nest beneath the overall campaign. Again, you'll need to be sure to create ad groups that fully complete the campaign as you've built it. This would include the variety of calls to action as well as ad groups. A second step in the creation of the ad group is the targeting parameters themselves. Our major reporting and targeting parameters include regions. Here we've got all the US states, as well as the variety of carriers in the US market. We've got the various devices which we can target, including individual handset targeting, which I'll explain in a separate demo, as well as more advanced targeting features such as demographics, including all ages and genders, male and female. And finally, different ad schedules by time of day or hours. Once you've selected all your target parameters, you continue, where the next step will be setting your bid rates. As you know, with each country and each ad group, you'll have a minimum bid rate. In this case, we have 16. We're going to enter in 20 to be sure that we get a good call volume. We're going to set our spend limit, which is optional, but we will set it at $5,000 per day. And we'll move on to save it and add in our creatives. And you can see all through the process, you've been given step-by-step understanding of where are you in the process. Here we're now at New Creative. We'll go in and type in that we want it to be a banner ad. We'll have the text being see the movie today at a theater near you. We'll then go ahead and choose our file, upload it, give it a name, and finally, save and continue. Once your creative is uploaded and all of your ad groups have been created, your campaign will be able to go live.